southeastern Dunn County, southwestern Eau Claire County until 7 p.m. At 6:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles east of Oak Galley, or 11 miles south of Menominee, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Pippin, southeastern Dunn, and southwestern Eau Claire counties. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Dunn, Eau Claire, and Pippin. The National